Hi, welcome to ByBre Adventure. This is the dust seal of the brake caliper. It has an inner groove and it sits on the piston and prevents the dust from entering into the piston area or brake caliper. Recently, I have rebuilt my SD Adventure truck rear brake caliper and I happen to learn a few things about the braking system. As of now, SD doesn't provide any repair kit or rebuild kit for the rear brake caliper. We have to buy it as a unit. It was costly, so I was searching for the alternatives. Thus, I happened to learn a few things about the braking system. The thicker one is a square cut pressure seal or hydraulic seal which holds the brake fluid pressure. The thinner one is a dust seal which prevents the dust from entering into the piston area. As I said earlier, as we put the pressure on the brake pedal, the brake fluid pushes the piston forward, and then along with the piston, both the seals, pressure seal and dust seal flexes or wraps like that. As we remove the pressure on the brake pedal, it unwraps. Both of the seals unwraps and retracts the piston backwards. Thus, it removes the pressure on the brake pads for a smooth flow. So this is how the system works, brake system, and this is the measurement of the new piston that is bought from the outside aftermarket, that is RE1. I will show you in the later part of the video. And this entire process I went through a few purchases here. This is KTM Rare 32 mm. It didn't suit our rear brake caliper of the SD Adventure, and the repair kit has provided with dust seals and bushers, whatnot, slider pin covers, etc. And the important things are these things, and this is the RE U series kit, and this doesn't suit. This is also 32 mm, and this is a bleeder wall, both broke, and I'll talk it on the other video. This has a engineering design which has a fracture zone for the bleeder wall. As I said, the pressure seal is a square cut seal because the sides are same of same dimensions here, so it is 3 mm on the either side. That is why it is called square cut seal or pressure seal or hydraulic seal. The structure is called square cut seal. So this wraps onto the piston as we put the pressure, and it unwraps and retracts the piston back as we remove the pressure on the brake pedal. So that is how the braking system works, and let's see the dimensions. I'm making this video to show you that the ByBre uses the standard size along all the piston sizes. The diameter might vary, OD diameter, outer diameter might vary. See here, you can see the outer diameter is 34 mm for our piston, and for the KTM that is 32 mm. So this is the alternative. I got it from the RE Royal Enfield. You can see the part number and save it. If you have a stuck rear piston, this would work. Do not pay for the entire rear brake caliper kit, that is very costly going backwards. And you can see the wall thickness too. Those are of the same dimensions here, 3 mm on the KTM, and the axle length or the height is also same here. See, 31.5 mm on the KTM, and our SD Adventure is also is 31.5 mm axle length or height. These are made by ByBre, so they are standard sizes, so we need not worry about the buying the other branded kits here, as SD doesn't provide. And the bleeder wall is 11 mm on the hexagon size, and this doesn't suit. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to ByBre Adventure. Thank you.